Mazda 1990 MX5. It's got a 1.6 engine, no modifications, it's stock. As you can see, timing belt changed at 75,000 miles. Just changed the HT leads, and there's an engine damper here. My Meister or coilovers, stock airbox, stock exhaust manifold. Inside I've got a Momo Futura steering wheel, some nice gauge clocks from Rev Limiter, some chrome vent rings. Changed the gear knob and put a wooden handbrake sleeve on it, and some leather Mark II brown seats. The engine's currently at 84,000 miles. It's going to be for sale very soon if anyone in the Dublin Kildare area wants to buy it. I've also got some SSR Type X really light flow forged wheels. They came with these pretty sticky Yokohama tires. I wouldn't have chosen to put on the lettering, but they came like that, so I'll leave it on until I need to change the tires. I did try and take the lettering off and it just left a sticky mess behind, so it's the lesser of two evils. There's a Moss Cobalt exhaust. Its back box goes halfway up the car basically. The fog lights like this that you see are only on UK cars, so this car originally came from the UK and is now in Ireland. I've also added this spoiler on the back, ducktail. I changed the soft top to one with a glass window on it, heated glass window, and one of the air dams to help with the wind noise. I've also got one of these Mazda Speed front splitters. It's a copy, it's not a genuine one, but it's made of that plastic, so it's got a bit of flexibility about it, won't crack. And the side mounted number plate. Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think a fallen angel just walked by. I think a fallen angel just walked by. I think a fallen angel just walked by. I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my... I have an intermittent problem at the moment where the lights don't always come on, the full headlights. Even when you have to switch to the full headlights, only the parking lights come on. So you can normally fix it by just flicking the full beams on and it kicks in. So I don't know whether it's on the stock or one of the relays in the engine bay or something like that, so I have to track that down. Bigger fish to fry at the moment.
lights on.